Yep. Hello and welcome back to the channel. We have a special guest, my wonderful daughter. Hello. And the weather once again is absolutely stunning in terms of snow, and I mean this is just round the corner from where I live and it's absolutely fantastic. So we are going sledging, yeah?
Yeah.
Gonna go do some sledging. I've got a couple of days holiday, so we'll do some sledging, have some fun, and later on today we'll be on Zwift for a training session, which is going to be a bit nasty because it's a warm-up, a 38-minute one interval set at zone 4, just to kind of bring the body on quite a bit, and we're going to try and up the watts, the power, just a fraction as to what we achieved last week. So not going to be pleasant, but good for training. Good for training. So we'll do all this first and we'll do the training later today, and we're going to have a super day. It's -5 according to my mobile phone. It's -7 this morning. We had some more snow last night. Alright, catch up shortly. Hello, so that has been an amazing day with my daughter out sledging and enjoying the time. As I said earlier, it is now 25 to 6 in the evening, and yes, I have the purple robe on, but look, I'm in the garage. It's -6 outside, there's no heating in this garage, and I am frozen. So much so, I'm wearing thermal overshoes and I have a thermal top on underneath the cycling suit. So I will start to cook once we get into this. Now, I'm going to be honest, I'm not looking forward to this session. I am feeling a bit tired. We've been running up and down hills all day, which is quite easy and straightforward to do. But in terms of the session that I need to do tonight, this is not going to be pretty. This is not going to be pretty. So this is an extensive aerobic block, one set of 38 minutes. Now you might not think that sounds long, but my coach Gary, Espresso Cycle Coaching, wants me just to try and lift it a bit to have the watts higher than planned for last week. So this is going to be a challenge, because I did throw in an extra sneaky session on Monday, when Monday was supposed to be a rest day, but I was feeling really good. So I've had a number of consecutive training days. I'm on my second week block now, and next week is what they call a regeneration week. So I've still got this tough session today. I've got muscular endurance session tomorrow. And then for the third and final day of the block, I've got a 3.5 hour endurance session, which will probably be on Zwift because of lockdown, which is not the easiest thing to do, 3.5 hours on the turbo trainer. So you're kind of stuck quite in the same position, and it's really interesting because it's so cold where I live at the moment, and you're sweating, but my feet are absolutely freezing, so I'm having to wear like the overshoes. So it's a very interesting experience, and it's not comfortable with that mix and match of heat and cold and the sweat. So even good fans, you know, it's not doesn't work out well. So we'll get that done, and next week is the regeneration week. So here we go. The session, which has been uploaded to Training Peaks from my coach, Espresso Cycle Coaching, as I've said, who loads it into Training Peaks. And we're gonna go. This isn't going to be pretty tonight, and you know, I'm not going to fluff it up. I'm not talking rainbow and unicorns here, but there is a high probability of how I'm feeling now that I might not be able to achieve the specifics tonight, but I am motivated and I will certainly try my very best. Okay, so that's the training session completed. I'm not gonna lie, I was chewing the slipper there. I was absolutely on the rivet. I managed to stay in the required watts, but that I was supposed to do, but I wasn't able to lift it higher than I actually wanted to. I did complete the training session successfully, did what I was supposed to do, but just to reiterate, I wanted just to nudge it up a little bit, and you know, it was a 38-minute hard session. Got down, you know, testing my legs down to about 25 minutes, sustaining the correct power, and I thought, right, I'll decide to up it, and I thought, well, legs not feeling that great. Got to 20 minutes, thought I'll up it. I thought, no, I'll just keep on the verge. I don't want to blow up and completely lose the session. Got down to 10 minutes, and I thought, oh, this is going to be tight. Sorry, we're just steaming up a bit. Thought this is going to be tight, so in the last 10 minutes I upped it, and with 5 minutes to go I increased it by about 15-20 watts, and yeah, good job. I kind of paced it like that, otherwise I would have blew up and not completed the session. So managed to complete it in the prescribed power, but just couldn't like take it up another level. But that's okay. We've got another hard session tomorrow, good sleep tonight, some food, rest and recovery, and we'll be good to go again tomorrow. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the snow content, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.